In this lesson we'll go over percent discount and we'll also go over tax. So first we'll start with percent discount. Percent discount is how much you're going to receive off of a price, for example. So if a television was originally $1,000, but there's a discount or a sale for 20% off. Okay, something that students get confused with is 20% isn't a value. It's like a ratio or a fraction. So we can't subtract 20 from 1,000. We have to find out what 20% of 1,000 is and then subtract that. So if the TV is originally $1,000, let's find 20% of this. So just a quick note, 20% is 0.20, 2 decimal spots. Okay, so 0, we can actually just drop this 0, and then we'll multiply. 2 times 0 is 0, 0, 0, 2. And of course there's 2 decimal places, so 1, 2, 200. So 20% of 1,000 is $200. Okay, that's the discount we're getting. That's what we're going to take off of the price. So if the TV was originally $1,000, the new price or the sale price is going to be $1,000 minus the $200. So the price is on sale for $800. So again, 20% isn't an actual value. We're not going to subtract it from 1,000. Instead, we find out what 20% of 1,000 is. In this case, 200. And then we subtract that from the price. Okay, now let's go over tax. Tax gets added onto a price. So we'll do a similar example. TV is $1,000, and we'll say tax is 6%. So on top of the $1,000 we have to pay for the TV, we also have to pay 6% in tax. Also, I want to note that this is a different problem from the last one, so we don't have the discount here. It's just different TV, different store, $1,000, and tax is 6%. So we have to find out what 6% of 1,000 is, and then add that on to the final price. So 1,000, 6%, it's going to change this to 0.06 because of 2 decimal places. And we'll multiply. Okay, so and multiplying these zeros will have no effect. So this is the answer. We'll just have to add the decimal places. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 6% of 1,000 is 60. So we have the price of the TV plus $60 in tax. So that means the total cost is $1,060. So tax, you find the percent of the price and you add it on. In this case, 1,000 was the original or the actual price. Then there was 6% tax, which is equivalent to $60. So the total was $1,060. Okay, now let's do a more complicated problem that involves discount and tax. Okay, what's important about discount and tax is you always do the discount first. Then do the tax of the discounted price. Very important. So let's think of an example where we have a TV that was originally $1,000. Let's say the discount is 20% and tax we'll say is 6%. So first we have to find the discounted price. So we have 1,000 times 20% is 200. So that's our discount. So to find the sale price, we subtract, and we get $800. So this is the sale price. And this is what we have to do the 6% tax on. So it's the sale price or the discounted price. Same thing. Alright, so now let's take this discounted price and let's find what 6% of that is. So 6% is 0.06. Let's multiply. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 8 is 48, and multiplying this 0 has no impact. If you want, I'll write it anyway. But you'll see we get the same number. Okay, now let's just count the decimal places. So there's 2. So we go 1, 2. So now the tax is $48. So to find the total cost, we have to add the actual sale price. This is the price we're going to pay for the TV, plus the tax. So we have 800 plus 48. So 848, this is the total cost. So let's just recap quickly. The TV was originally $1,000. It was on sale with a discount of 20%, and there's 6% tax, 6% sales tax. So we find what the discount is. So 1,000 times 20%, 200. That's the amount of discount we're getting. So if it was $1,000 and we're taking 200 off, that means the sale price is 800. Since this is the price we're paying for the TV, this is the price we're going to use for the tax. So we have 800 times 6%, which is 0.06, is $48. So the tax was $48. So the total cost would be the 800, which we're paying for the TV, plus the $48 in tax. So we have 800 plus 48 is 848, and the total cost is $848.